Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11T Pro and I will show you a couple camera tricks. At the first I will start from the best features that you can find in the settings, right here. And after that I will smoothly move to the modes like photo, video and additional that we can find right here in this place. So let's open the settings, and at the first we can add or remove watermark. So in my case I'm going to turn it on. We can add date and the timestamp, device watermark, and also our custom signature. Tap save if you want to confirm and take a look right now. Let's take photo. And as you can see, on the left bottom corner we can find mark of our device, our signature, and on the right bottom corner, right here, we can find date and the timestamp. If you want to get rid of that, just do the same, open the settings and go for this watermark feature. When you scroll down, we can change the volume button function. Currently is set up on the shutter countdown. We can go for the normal shutter or for the zoom. Take a look how it works right now. When you press volume up or down button, the photo will be taken after short delay. So we can change it, for example, for the zoom feature. And let me just put, for example, this QR code right here, and I will show you how it works. So we have to press volume up button to zoom in for the 10 times, as you can see, and volume down button if you want to zoom out. It goes very smooth, definitely better than pinching screen with the 2 fingers like that. Let's move out for another option. I'm going to stay here with this volume function as zoom, and another option that we can find in this focus and the shot. So let me just show you how it works. You know, sometimes when you take photo and you got only one hand, I mean this one is busy, for example you hold something and you hold your phone like that, you cannot reach, you know, this shutter. You can just press on the screen like that, confirm, and the photo will be also taken. So that's why this option is called focus and the shot. Of course you can use this option with the volume button, but you can choose one of them. Let's turn it off right now. We got another option, it's called press and hold shutter button. We can record video, take a burst shot or use focus. Let's switch for the burst shot, for example. As you can see, we can take a lot of photos to the 100, and when you go for our gallery, we'll get this kind of the button. When you click on it once, we can take a look on all of these photos that we take with this bare shot option. We can choose few of them, the best looking, like the sharpest. And we can save few of them by tapping right here. We can keep all photos or we can keep only 5 selected. Click OK. Right now we have to wait a little bit. And right now we can find only these 5 photos that we select from this bare shot. So this option might be useful when you are, for example, in the sports, even when people moving very fast, very quick, and you want to capture the photo. So you got like 100 tries to make it happen. Okay, we can scroll down, and under the press and the hold shutter button, we can also find the customize option, where we can, for example, change the shutter sound. You can pick your favorite. We can also change colors of this highlight for the features, as you can see. So we can pick, for example, this one. We can adjust camera modes, but there's nothing important. This one also we are going to skip. And in this place we can turn on or turn off this shutter sound. As you can hear right now, when you take photo, we cannot hear that sound. And I think that's all from the settings. When you tap on these 3 horizontal lines in the right upper corner, we can also find the short delay for our shutter. So we can pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for the 3. Click on the shutter, and after this time, photo will be taken. That's nice and useful. We can also enable grid lines. They help us to take better composition on the photos. And there it is. Okay, let me just turn off this delay. When you are here, we can also quickly open the Google Lens. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or with your mobile data. We have to grant camera permission. Okay, let's allow all the time. Then we can just go back. And right now we are in the Google Lens. So right now, if you are looking for something, for example, we can find this decibel meter. I want to get more information about this device. So you basically just aim at this product and then press on the shutter when you get this blue dot highlight. And after that, take a look, you will find the web search, you will get the exact model of this device. You get even the full name, so if you don't know what it is, there we can find it. You can also make, the shopping, so if you want to buy this product, you will find the shop, their shopping offers to get it. Okay, so that's all from the Google Lenses. And when you are in the photo mode, we can quickly increase or decrease brightness level. When you tap on the screen and got this sun icon, you can decrease or increase brightness level manually. You don't have to go for the Pro mode when you want to adjust this option. When you tap like that on the screen, you can adjust brightness level automatically, but probably you know that. In the video mode, we can do the same with the brightness level, as you can see. But we can also add filters. We can quickly change color and the temperature of our photos. So let me show you how it looks. We can find here a lot of different filters. That's very interesting. Okay, let's turn it off and let's go for the normal mode. Let's go back. In the Pro mode, we can find a lot of things that you can adjust manually, like white balance, focus, shutter speed, ISO, EV, and also we can change lens manually. If you don't know what is going on here, you can simply tap on the information icon at the left bottom corner, where you will find the description of every option that you can adjust. Right now we can go for the more modes, where we can, for example, use 108 megapixel mode. So I will show you how it works. I'm going to take a photo with this mode. And then without. And let's take a look on the difference. As you can see, this photo was taken with normal mode. It's sharp, it's good looking, but when you go for the 108 megapixel, you can definitely spot more details and you can zoom in definitely closer, as you can see. Another useful mode is the dual video. So right now we can shot the video from the two cameras at the same time. We can also resize them, as you can see. So we can go, for example, like this one. And that's it. It looks like some kind of the vlog video that you can post on the YouTube, on Instagram. You can also resize these cameras, as I said before, or you can change, the position of the cameras. We can also find this clone mode. Let me download. So we have to press once. As you can see, it looks like it's not available because there we don't have this gray highlight. But we can simply tap on this effect and it will be downloaded after a few moments. So just be patient. Okay, as you can see, the download is finished. So right now we can open this this option. Oh, let me just download another one that we are going to that I'm going to show you. It will be the movie effects. Right now we can move for the clone. So as you can see, we can make clone of a person on the photo and the video. I will show you the photo at the first. Here we got the description how you can make it. You have to keep your phone steady. And we can create up to 4 clones. Okay, so we have to hold our phone like that in the landscape mode. And I will try to make the copy of my hand. So we have to press on the shutter, keep holding the device, and then let me just move my hand. Okay, as you can see, it's not the best. I mean, it's not working great when you try to copy only the part of your body. But I will try. Okay, disappear one more time. Okay, honestly, I cannot show you how it works because I don't have someone around me to show you. And by the way, I'm just right here in the office, so I'm just unable. But if you open this option right here, you will find the description. When you tap on it once, for the first time, you will get the description how to use it. Okay, so basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.